Hello guys, today we're just gonna push to 1300. Well, the new season has started, and so we are just gonna try to push. And there's the new evolution of Furnace. I'm pretty excited with it, and just gonna see how it goes. Alright, so I think it's attacking the Ewiz. Nice. Alright, skeletons over here. So he places his Mega Knight. I'm just gonna place my Furnace in the back. It's kind of crazy because it's troop now, not a building. I Spirit over here. Knight. Wait, did it damage? I think it did. Wait, why did it do that? Alright, I'm gonna do Barber over here. Trying to remove it before the Fire Spirit. The range is crazy though. That's the most craziest thing. The range. I think it's more crazy as this knight. Because if it doesn't attack, it's literally a beast. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything yet. I'm just gonna do Phoenix in the back. And if he does Mega Knight, it might be a little bit tough. Yeah, it actually might be a little bit tough, but okay. We're gonna do just skeletons in the back. He would have to use something. Oh wow, wow, it did not get any damage. We're gonna do poison over here. Alright. Alright, that would be a little bit annoying. Phoenix over here. Okay. Knight over here. I think the Ewiz and Archer Queen. I think Ewiz hurts me more. It's just quite difficult. Yeah, it's kind of difficult for me to push. Yeah, it's kind of awkward. Okay. So he can just abuse his 3-card cycle because of this Archer Queen. It's kind of crazy because of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Furnace. Skeletons here. Furnace again. We're gonna abuse the Furnace. Ice Spirit over here. Okay, so we're gonna do Phoenix again here. Poison, just for some cycle. Furnace over here. Okay, this is gonna be tough. This is actually gonna be tough. Okay. So this time we're actually gonna push. He's gonna do Mega Knight, but it should be a great push. For me, yeah. We're gonna do another one. But this time we're gonna do a Barber over here. And that's perfect. That actually guards it. Nice. Some more furnaces over here. Nice. Nice. Okay, so he ran out. I'm not sure if he's gonna fireball soon, but wow. Ah, that could have been one, but he guarded the graveyard too well. And also, I did not play it well. It is what it is. Do I recommend this deck? For starters, I think it's a little bit hard. But if you go against, like, heavy decks, like air decks mostly, then probably yes. It's pretty good. Wow, that actually killed it. Alright, we're gonna do Barbaro on the left. So in this case, he might have an eye drag, which makes me lose most of the time. And it isn't great, because yeah, he has those. Alright, we're gonna do skeletons like this to distract, and it's pretty much over. Yeah, it's pretty much over. GG's it is. We're gonna do skeletons like this. Yeah, it's game over. I don't know why, but like I didn't had anything great in cycle. If I had Furnace, then it would have been a little bit better, but other than that, it wasn't great. And yeah, he's just gonna do eye drag or bowler. And no, he has Barbaro. Perfect for the defense. It gets pretty much great damage, but it's still not enough. Because he's gonna do something on the left side, the lumberjack. So I have to be a little bit prepared. He might do it here as well, because he has a bowler. Okay. We're gonna pull it in the middle, if possible. And then we're gonna do Phoenix. Furnace over here. We're gonna do Graveyard over here. Okay, so that got tower, which is weird. That shouldn't be tower, but apparently got tower. Okay, so now he's out of E-Drag. I might actually win if I'm actually careful enough. It's actually awkward. I might actually win because that's weird. Okay. Poison over here. Okay. Okay, the furnace is actually cooking up. The furnace is actually cooking. Ice Spirit over here. Bring some more damages. Knight over here. Okay, that's game over. That's actually game over. There we go. The knight is locked in. Yep. Okay. Nice. I thought I was gonna lose, but he didn't have Barbaro. Kinda crazy. Alright, we're gonna face against John Wick and wish him a good luck. Alright, we're gonna do Furnace in the back. I actually don't have a greater. I don't know about the Furnace. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. Who knows? It has a range of a Phoenix. I'll save that. It's gonna connect. Oh, it doesn't connect. Nice. I'm gonna do Graveyard right away. And then if he has Scar Me. Oh, he has guards. Okay. That's still a lot of damage. If he zaps it, it's okay. He doesn't zaps it, surprisingly. Okay, so it's gonna get 1 damage. Nice. Alright, skeletons. This time we're gonna still do a furnace, because I need some Evo. Alright, knight over here. I wonder what he has for... Okay, he has that. Okay, his Hydra got obliterated. Insane. Hopefully that Ice Wizard cooks him up. Let's go. That actually is pretty much game. So, for this deck, it's really good against air. And I don't recommend other stuff. But if you're using any type of air against the air decks, then I highly suggest this. Alright, we're gonna do graveyard. I'm not sure about the guards. Okay, I'm gonna use it as defense. Alright, poison. Okay, the furnace is actually cooking. They might actually have to nerf it. It seems a little bit way too broken. And yeah, it seems way too broken. Okay, you can't even do anything. Okay, it is way too broken. Alright, I'll just see you guys in the next video, and if you liked it, then please like it. Alright, see ya.